Hey guys, Ding from Ding's Workshop here. When it comes to scrap wood, a lot of times I have no idea what to do with them. But it just so happens this morning, my wife sent me a picture of something she really likes, and I was able to make it using scrap wood. These are the scrap pieces I've collected from previous projects. I think they'll work fine for this project. Okay, as you can see, drawing is not my forte, but I think this will work. I've just made one leg of the pig and I've just transferred its shape to another piece of wood. What I'm going to do is I will cut along the outside of this line and then finish up with a flush trim bit on the router table. Okay, so I ended up making another rough cut of the leg. The reason is I need a way to secure this template along with the rough cut and make sure they don't move while I'm on the router table. So this way I'm going to use this leg only as a template. Okay, so now my template is securely mounted on the piece that I need to trim. So now I'm going to bring it to the router table. Now my workpiece is pretty much the same shape with my template. Okay, now for the rod that holds the paper towel in place, I saved one of these closet rods from a closet remodel I did last year. This will work just fine. And for the hole to hold the rod, I'm going to use a 1/3/8 Forstner bit right here. Okay, turns out it's a little loose. As you can see, I've got some wiggle room over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive a screw from the other side near the bottom side and then just fasten this part right here along with some glue. And then I'm going to find a way to cover that up. Okay, after laying everything out, I just realized I forgot to make the ears. So I'm going to do that next. Alright, I'm going to take this over to the sander and then just try to shape it like a pig's ear. The ears were pretty fun to make, and I've taken some time to sand it so it's smooth on the surface. Looks great if I put it on a head, like that. So after the glue dried, I just applied several layers of spray lacquer. Turns out great. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.